Hey, how's it going? I'm back. It's Nicolcron, the guy that covers everything in Bleach. For today's little experiment with Bleach, I decided that it might be nice to see if I can bleach like stripes into a t-shirt. So I've got this nice blue one here, which I bought from a charity shop for £1. I'm going to see if I can bleach lines into it. I reckon if I fold the t-shirt up concertina style, like that, and then put it in a bowl of bleach, like shallow little bit of bleach, I reckon because the fold, the bleach will soak through, and it'll get the back as well. And yeah, it should be fine, right? Well, one way to find out. So less of the talking, let's fold this thing up and find all the stuff we need. So it's going to go like that. But like always, I'm going to get my rubber glove on and I'm going to get into the bathroom because I don't want to splash, and look, I've got to tie my hair up too because otherwise I'll end up with blonde hair. T-shirt, bowl, bleach, glove, protective glasses, check. Wish me luck. Well, wish the t-shirt luck. And it goes. Okay, right, that's definitely had long enough now. It's probably had about 20 minutes to be fair. Let's wash it out, see. I don't think it works. Well, let's try it out and see. Maybe it's done something, maybe it's done nothing at all, but it doesn't look like it's done much. It definitely started to do something, but perhaps here there's some light bits where I think I might have dripped neat bleach, like, you know, non-diluted bleach. So that's given me hope that it will work, but on the second go. Oh, we're going to get this one, don't worry, we got it. Right, if that doesn't get it, nothing will. It's a lot later now. Like I said, I was going to leave it a bit longer. I think I left it about 15, 20. I didn't even give it a check. So this is the first look. Let's have a see. I think we got it this time. I don't know quite what happened here today. But we got a result in the end. Once I finish rinsing this out, I'm going to dry it as always, and then we'll have a look downstairs and see how it finally came out. Right, well got. Oh, probably take them off now. It's not fully dry, but it's, you know, all the water's out. I was just too excited. I had to show you now. Look at that. What? That looks wicked. I think that looks wicked. What do you think? It kind of missed a bit on the back, but hey, it wouldn't be a Nicolcron video if I didn't mess something up a little bit. I'm so glad I had the second round at this. After that first one I was thinking, well, maybe I just can't do bleaching anymore. Maybe I did something wrong, or maybe this is a colour that doesn't bleach out, which doesn't make sense, but there you go. I persevered, used the neat bleach in the end, and got this result somehow. Like I say, I'm no expert, I don't know how that worked, because where the folds would have been, that would have been where it was touching the bleach longest. So that's all I can say, everyone. I think that's amazing. It's kind of gone pink almost. So it might be quite hard to see under this, but it's gone very pale pink where the bleach has hit the blue. So that's quite likely to be what happens if you put bleach on blue. Just like if you put bleach on green, it goes light blue. But anyway, there you go guys, that's it. Experiment today, very hyped. Came out right in the end. Can you bleach stripes into a t-shirt? Well, yeah. There's the proof. So let us know in the comments if you want me to try and do anything else, because I'm up for a challenge. I mean, you know, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm up for a challenge. So there you go. I think that's cool. Hyped on that. So yeah, brilliant. All right, like, comment, subscribe if this was cool or you thought it was cool or whatever. If you don't, I don't mind. That's fine. But yeah, see you next time. Later.